Hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So this video is another deep explanation video, and I can only suggest to each of you to watch the video till the end, because I'm gonna show you in this video a lot of those concepts which I have explained in my ebooks and in my videos more in detail, so that you understand why I take those kinds of trades. So before we are going to start, you see we have weekend again, and I'm a European trader. I do not have the OTC market, and so I'm doing now this kind of deep explanation video of those trades which I have done already in detail and much more explained. So let me show you something. We have here this kind of downtrend. Yes, you see the alignment of the EMAs. We have a major downtrend. The EMAs are aligned with the 200, 150 and 20. We have here a nice hanging man, yes, a bullish hanging man, which was a fake breakout of the 50 EMA. After the 50 EMA, we got here the confirmation of the upcoming downtrend. The only problem here is that we have a ranging market and that the EMAs are flat. So we have this kind of consolidation area between the 50 and the 20. This candle is an indecision candle. So after this candle, you cannot go into a put immediately, yes, and not even after a rejection, because we have ranging market, and that would that would be a problem, because price will most probably stay in between of the 50 and the 20 EMA, because this candle is nothing else than a doji. Yes, it's like this doji, and that means that you cannot trade. If you want to trade after this candle, yes, there are only two options, and that are those concepts which I have explained in the ebooks, yes, where I have shown you how to trade the consolidation area. So on the next candle, there are two things which you can do. We are in a minor uptrend. We have here two bullish candles. These two bullish candles are showing a minor uptrend. That can be, because it's a weak candle, only a retracement of this uptrend. That means the next candle will be most probably a bullish one. And what should you do is waiting that the price goes below the 20 EMA or the middle Bollinger Band, and after this got a rejection from this level again here, yes, and then you can enter into a call below the support and resistance level. I will show you now what I mean exactly. So let me show you this. Where do we have this? That is this one here. Look at this consolidation area. We have a consolidation area, and that what you should do is taking this kind of trade here below the EMA, the 50 EMA, you enter into a call. In this case, it would be below the 20 EMA, and below the 20 EMA, you are entering into a call. And and because we have a consolidation area, we have an indecision candle. This candle is not that what I would expect after hanging man. After hanging man, there should come up some kind of strong candle. It's a weak candle. It's a high wave candle. It's also explained in the ebook, yes. And that is here how to identify entry points, how to find entry points, when to enter into a trade. And that is one of the most important concepts which you should understand and which you should apply when you are seeing this kind of consolidation areas. Yes, don't trade this kind of hanging man and then the minor downtrend, because you have to understand that we are here in a consolidation area in this kind of ranging market. Okay, so that was the first concept which I have shown you here. Yes, on Monday morning, the next candle will be probably a bullish one, which got a rejection from the 20 EMA, and you should do a call. If the price is going above the 50 EMA and got a rejection here, yes, from any kind of level, you could do also a put, but this put should be above this level here, yes, because of the minor downtrend which would come up, because we have a major downtrend. 200, 150, 20, yes, that is explained in this kind of page of the ebook. Yes, the price action guide and the price action Bible. Let me show you this. Where do we have this kind of concept to follow? Yes, it's also the part where you have to follow this one here. Yes, if you have a trend, stay with the trend and do the highest probability trading setups. Okay, so that would be this one. This video yes, will be this time about binary option trading with price action trading and binary options trading with candlestick patterns. And I have prepared already my chart. I was the last week a little bit busy. I have done obviously my trades like always, and this time I traded I say outside the London session and the New York session. This will be as Asia session trading chart. If you want this chart, you can send me an email with the subject chart 10, or you can also download this kind of chart from my Instagram account, which is linked in the description. Okay, but before I'm gonna start, I have to talk about some things. I know you all missed me a lot. Yes, I got so many emails from you all that you missed me, that you are missing my videos. Yes, and I know this. I had an internet connection upgrade. I can now up my upload increased, my download increased, and my internet connection is much more stable than before. And now I'm back and I can provide you with more knowledge, and this video will be one of the best ones because I will show you in detail exactly what you should do when you have a chart in front of you. Yes. And I got so many emails and so many comments from you all. Thank you for this. That is really nice. That motivates me over and over again to make more and more videos. But before I'm gonna continue about talking about the video today, I have to talk about this kind of topics which I'm naming over and over again. That are my price action guide, yes, and my price action Bible. The price action guide, yes, and I can only say one thing: invest in your knowledge. Yes, what do you want to hear? If you are not willing to invest in your knowledge, how can I help you when you are not willing to invest? Yes, and you can say whatever you want. Yes, we are not talking about you cannot invest, you are not able to invest. No, you are not willing to invest because you are willing to lose money by trading. I get so many emails from users, my subscribers, yes, who are facing big losses. Their trading increased, yes, but they are facing losses, and then they are not willing to invest in their knowledge. Yes, but you have to invest, yes, to understand and to save time. Yes, because those kind of concepts which are explained in my price action guide, yes, that are 120 pages of concepts, I will show you today much more in detail which kind of concepts I'm using every time when I'm doing my trading session. Yes, and that makes much more clear how important the concepts which I have named in my ebooks, in the price action guide and in the price action Bible are, yes, to own the market. Yes, you see here again the price action guide, only illustrations, 120 illustrations. I refer always the price action guide, but the point is the price action Bible is much more detailed. So let me make a small introduction. The price action guide is the black book. Yes, it's a black one. Let me show you this. It contains only illustrations. That's the reason why it's costs less. Yes, but also to the questions, you don't need, and that is what I have to say over and over again, you don't need both books. Yes, you need or the price action guide or the price action Bible. I suggest you to get the price action Bible because this contains the price action guide, and it has 270 pages of pure knowledge, and everyone who bought this kind of gold mine, yes, of a binary option trading, which you can apply to any kind of financial instrument, any kind of broker, and any kind of time frame. Because I get almost often questions, can I use this also for the 5-minute time frame? Can I use this on the 15 minutes time frame? Yes, you can use it on each and every time frame till up to 1 day, 1 week, yes, on cryptocurrencies, on stock exchange, binary options, forex, wherever you want to use this kind of concepts that are price action concepts, yes, and the price action Bible tells you exactly what you need to know to enter into a trade. You see, I have here done a lot of images. Here you see red arrow, which means next candle will be most probably a bearish one, yes, and the green arrows means that the next candle will be a bullish one. Important here is also if you see 2 arrows, yes, because I got this question too, that means that the bigger arrow is the most probability, yes, and the smaller arrow is that one which is a lower probability, but because it depends not only from the candlestick pattern, in this case the pin bar, kangaroo tail or Pinocchio bar, it depends mostly also from the context. The context is the trend, the key level, yes, and obviously a rejection or something like this, which confirms that you are on the right way and the right direction. You are predicting the right direction. I have explained here everything, also the support and resistance level, yes, and this so much in detail that you know exactly when to enter, and that helps you to own the market. Okay, so that is this one. That were some students which have printed the bot price action Bible, and they are studying this kind of stuff. You see the criteria here. Yes, here is support and resistance. Here is the candlestick psychology. Here is what you have to avoid. Yes, and all those kind of stuff. You can see this here again a little bit more in detail. You see here, do not enter into a put trade. Yes, and then why you should not enter into a put trade. And how to trade this kind of Pinocchio bar is explained in this kind of things. That is the advantage of the price action Bible in comparison to the price action guide. So the price action Bible is white, it costs a little bit more, yes, but it's worth the money. And the price action guide, yes, it's a black one, costs a little bit more less, but it's only illustrations. You need to watch the videos to understand the whole concepts, because it's that are only in images. And that is the main problem, yes, because if you are not able to follow my videos, yes, and you don't understand my accent, because I know there are a lot on who do not understand my English. It's not my mother English, yes, I'm giving my best to explain everything, yes, but it's almost, yes, my accent is not the best. So for those one who do not, who want to use the price action Bible, they can copy and paste the text which I have done into the Google Translator, and then you get this in your language. That will help you a lot to understand this. Obviously, if you have only illustrations in the price action guide, it's not favorable. You don't need both ebooks. You need or the price action guide or the price action Bible. Yes, both have the same type of concepts explained, only that the price action Bible is like a combination. Yes, it's almost everything explained in detail. Yes, really for a 6-year-old child. You can give this book to your 6-year-old child who has some kind of English, and he will trade the market, yes, based on this kind of concept. You get some kind of concept, for example, a candlestick pattern, and then you trade this candlestick pattern like I have explained in the ebook, and I can promise you that this kind of trades will be 80%, 85% successful if you are applying those concepts which I have explained in both ebooks. Okay, so that is the price action Bible in white, yes, and the price action guide in black. And then we have also the video packs, and I can say use the video packs in conjunction with the ebooks. That means if you have the price action guide and the price action Bible, then get this kind of video packs. There are 4 video packs. It's video pack 1, video pack 2, video pack 3, video pack 4. All of those kind of video packs are really educational stuff, yes, because you get instant access to my core knowledge. That are videos which I have done for my bot mentorship program students, yes, and I promise you the same stuff that you get crazed your trading grammatically. I get every day a lot of emails of my subscribers, of those clients who purchased the video packs, and those who purchased video pack 1, purchased also video pack 2, video pack 3, video pack 4, because they are based on the levels of my students. That means video pack 1 is for the beginners, video pack 2 is the moderate stuff, yes, for moderate traders, the video pack 3 are for the advanced traders, and the video pack 4 are almost those kind of trades which have done my students, which are nearly finishing the bot mentorship program. Yes, here that are self-study modules, bot mentorship program, self-study modules. Video pack 1, instant access to my core knowledge gained in years of experience, and that videos are not like those videos which I have done on the YouTube channel. That are particular videos where I explain exactly what my students have done wrong, what they have done good, and what they can improve and what they should avoid. Those kind of knowledge you get nowhere, yes, because those kind of videos are really educational, and they will help you to understand how the market works and how to get money out of the market. Yes, the bot mentorship program, video pack 1 to video pack 4. I'm showing you here only the video pack 1 because it would be too much to talk about each and every one. That is it's one file, and in this file you have 104 videos where I explain really so many different trades, so many different brokers, and also to different time frames. Okay, good. That is this one. And then obviously, if you still are not profitable and you have still problems and you are struggling, you can join the bot mentorship program. The bot mentorship program is still active. You can still be educated by me, yes, because I have still a lot of students which I have to finish. I will not do this for long anymore, but I'm doing this. So if you want to apply for the bot mentorship program, you cannot buy it. Also, if you see here a buy now button, you cannot buy it. You have to pass through the application process. Yes, you have to pass through the application process. The application process is a little bit complicated. You will be fed with all the knowledge which you need in the application process. And if you got through the application process, you will be accepted as a student, or you will declined. Yes, you will denied as a student, and that is almost a good help for you, because the application process is for free. That you know, okay, I have to I have to learn more before I can apply for the bot mentorship program, or I have to learn more before I can join the bot mentorship program. Because when I'm declining and I'm rejecting a student, yes, it's not a personal thing, it's only that he or she has not the knowledge, yes, and that's better that you save your money and that you learn more before you get into the bot mentorship program. But if you are in the bot mentorship program, I promise you that you will be a successful, profitable trader, like I have done already more than 100 successful, profitable traders in the last 2 months. Yes, so it's like a mission. Yes, I'm doing here a great work. I get so many nice emails from my students. They are so happy. They are making money. Yes, and I told them also they have to get feedback, and maybe some of those one who got through the bot mentorship program will be the next bot mentors as soon as I will stop doing this kind of job. And then they will cover this, those kind of students which are in the bot mentorship. But at the moment, I can only tell you I'm doing this kind of stuff still, yes, and so try to get into the bot mentorship program by applying, and it's easy. You can find the instruction. It's easy. You have to send an email to me, yes, to boturbotrader@gmail.com with the subject bot mentorship program, yes, and then you will get you will enroll the application process, and then you can start. And then this will be 8-step stuff. Let me show you this 8 steps of the application process, where I cover all those kind of concepts which I have explained. So here it is. So after you got through the bot mentorship program, you can do one of those kind of jobs here. Yes, you can be a successful consistent trader. That are almost, I would say, 90% of my students are doing this one here. Yes, because they got successful, profitable, they are happy, they are using their time for that what they want to do. They are earning money. Yes, that is the most part. Then you can do a signal provider. I have some students who want to do this, but they don't know how to start. Obviously, it's not so easy, yes, because you have to provide good signals. And why should you provide signals when you are successful consistent trader? Yes, that is some kind of discrepancy, some kind of opposite. I don't know how it can be. Then you can be also account manager. Yes. Because as soon as you are consistently successful, profitable, you can do the signal provider, the account manager, or you can be a mentor too. Yes, that is also possible. I have some students who are doing this, and then you can become a bot mentor. The problem with the pro status is that one that yes, it's got much more complicated to stay as a pro. Yes, apart from the financial. The experience in the financial industry, yes, you need, for example, some other things to cover, like a quota of transactions or a big portfolio, yes, and it's free for every broker to decide if somebody gets the retail status or the pro status. So I have a lot of friends who got rid of the pro status. Nevertheless, they had all the requirements, so it's got some kind of complicated, because the broker is free to decide on their own if they want to do this or not. So, okay. The next one is the application process. The application process, you see this here. Yes, it's an 8-step application process. That means you have to go through all 8 steps to get into the bot mentorship program. But you can be rejected at any point if you are not providing good results, and I see that you have some lack in knowledge, then I will reject you. Yes, the same thing is you can also reject yourself. That means you can stop the application process whenever you want. The application process is for free. That means you are not losing any kind of money. That is like a mirror which is showing you where you are about the knowledge about binary option. Yes, that means you get a mirror and you look in the mirror, and then you see, okay, I'm ready to be a successful, profitable trader, or okay, I have to learn some more. And that is the reason for the application process. Why I cannot educate everybody. You should already have some knowledge in this kind of field. Yes, because when I'm using terminology, yes, about words, vocabulary about trading, then you should understand. When I'm talking about the evening star, you should know what I mean. When I'm talking about support and resistance, you should know what it means. And that is what I'm asking in the application process. And obviously support and resistance, candlestick patterns, chart patterns. Then I want from you also that you analyze some of my trades, that you show me some drawings where you show me trading opportunities. Then the mindset series, which is really important, that is one of the last steps of the application process. Yes, and obviously the concepts which I have explained in the 7th edition ebook, where I talked about the entry points, about purchase time, expiration time, and all those kind of stuff which you should know if you are following my channel. Okay, so and then the next one is obviously that what I talked before. That is the bot mentorship program, and here we have the bot mentorship program, yes, which is where you get educated by me, and then we have obviously also the 4-week approach based on the self-study modules, yes, and you see here week 1 that are video pack 1. Then we have week 2, that is self-study pack 2, yes, video pack 2, video pack 3, and that is for the advanced one. So beginner, moderate, advanced, and then here that those one who get nearly to the pro status, that is what the bot mentorship program self-study modules are about. Okay, so, and that was the introduction. Yes, and I would say now we can start immediately, because I have done already enough description about those things. So if you want to get the ebook, and that is a question which I get still always, yes, if you want to get the ebook, you find the link in the description. If you want to get the Price Action Bible, you find the link in the description. The application process can be started, enrolled, by sending me an email with the subject bot mentorship program. And if you are not willing or not able to invest your time or your money in any kind of bot mentorship program, you can use the bot mentorship program self-study modules to do this on your own in conjunction, and that is important, with the ebooks. Yes, that means you should have the price action guide or the price action Bible, yes, before you get the video packs, because everything what I'm explaining in this kind of video packs is related to the concepts which I have explained in this kind of ebook. You see here, that is one of my students which has printed this kind of ebook. It's 270 pages. It sounds a little bit big, yes, a lot, but you have to understand, if it would be easy, everybody would make money in the market. Yes, you have to get the basic knowledge, and the bot price action Bible and the bot price action guide will provide you with the necessary knowledge to yes, to own the market. You see here everything explained. When I started trading, I saw only red and green candlesticks, yes, and after a few years I started to understand immediately, I understood how to use this kind of candlesticks to predict the next candle. And you see this from my live trading videos, that my accuracy is really high based on this kind of knowledge which I have brought in this case on the computer in this kind of ebooks. Okay, so video packs, yes, again, and then obviously the bot mentorship program. So now we are going to start, because I'm a little bit in hurry. Yes, you know, I have to convert this kind of videos so long, and so I will try to bring this here immediately to the point. I will show you also why I took this trade, yes, and more in detail. So that is the preparation. Today we are talking about the binary option trading with price action trading, and binary options trading with candlestick patterns. And I have prepared already here this kind of chart. This is a chart of the Friday morning. Yes, it was Asia session this time, yes, because I was a little bit busy. I had to do some things the whole day, so I'm not a fan of the Asia session, because it's mostly low volume market, but you can find also good trades in the Asia session. And because I'm doing my trades in a few minutes, my trading session, I jump into the market, I do my trades, and then I get out of the market, and I have done my trading session. Okay, so this time I have done 7 trades. Yes, 7 trades, and I will show you immediately what this kind of trades are about, and I will show you also why. So we have here an uptrend, yes, a minor uptrend. This candle is showing here uptrend. Then we got here an inverted bullish hammer, which is in an uptrend, a continuation pattern. I will show you this. The next trade, yes, you see this here. This is a cycle, yes, you see the reversal pattern, waiting for continuation pattern, and then you wait for the next reversal pattern or for a pullback. to do a continuation. In this case, we have here an uptrend. We got a continuation pattern that is, in this case, this one or this one is the same. And the next candle is what? Exactly, the next candle will be a bullish one. Yes, and that is the reason why I entered on the next candle into a call. Yes, because of the continuation pattern. We are creating here higher highs, we are creating higher lows. And so, because we are in an uptrend and you don't see this, but on the live chart you would see this, you would see the Bollinger Band, and you would see that we have here a Bollinger Band breakout, yes, and that's the reason why I entered on the next candle into a call. So let me show you, let me show you this kind of candle. Okay, that was the next candle, yes, it was a call. Because of the trend continuation. The next candle I didn't trade because we were here in a consolidation area between the 50 and the 100 EMA, and because this candle was not creating anymore a higher high, I stayed out of the next trade and I was waiting for the next candle. The next candle was this one. Okay, that was the next candle. And after this candle, I entered immediately into a call again because we were here in a consolidation area between the 100 and the 200. And we had here another round number above, yes, which I didn't use. But important is the 200 EMA, yes, because this candle was showing me a trend continuation. This wick didn't touch the 200 EMA, yes, and so I entered on the next candle into a call expecting that price would break through the 200 EMA, and the next candle was this. Okay, after this candle I waited obviously because this looked like a fake breakout of the 200 EMA. It stopped exactly on the level of the round number or nearly the round number. Yes, this kind of shaven head. Yes, this kind of Marubozu candlestick or one side Marubozu candlestick, which shows that we have here some kind of resistance level, yes, was a clear sign for me, sorry, that the uptrend has almost finished. So I waited, I traded this kind of candle here as a trend continuation of the highest probability trading setups, sorry, of the high probability trading setups. Yes, here continuation, you see here continuation, those two here, yes, in parallel with a major trend, minor trend in your favor, strong support and resistance level, candlestick pattern with confirmation, your expectation, and then the rejection. That is what I have applied here. This kind of candle was in this kind of uptrend, Bollinger breakout, yes. And you see here, we would be here in a at the 2 deviation Bollinger Band. Yes, you see how steep this trend is. It's a strong uptrend, a strong minor uptrend in a ranging market. You can see this on the live chart by sending me the email with the subject chart 10. So okay, here this is trend continuation, this is a trend continuation, yes, and then we got this kind of candle as a result of my trade. That was obviously also in the money, and after this I waited because we broke the 200 EMA, but we didn't broke the 200 EMA with determination. I have talked about this a lot of times. Yes, you can trade this kind of breakouts, yes, but you have to be careful because if a candlestick will not be rejected by the 200 EMA, you should expect that it will be broken, but this is almost difficult to handle because you don't know if the price will reject it, and overall in a ranging market. Okay, so after this candle got this candle. So that was the next candle. That is a hanging man. This hanging man closed exactly on the 200 EMA after this bullish candle is creating a resistance level, yes, and so I entered on the next candle into a put without any kind of rejection, without waiting, without nothing, because this hanging man is explained also in the ebook, yes. After an uptrend, you get a hanging man, yes, and this hanging man was exactly on the 200 EMA, and then applied this kind of concept here, which is talking about the fake breakout, yes. This kind of fake breakout is nothing else than the evening star fake breakout in form of a hanging man. Yes, so that is important that you understand that those kind of concepts which I have explained here, how to trade channel breakout and how to avoid false breakouts, are only ideal candlesticks. Yes, you have to get your imagination into it. Yes, and because this wick is showing selling pressure, yes, and we have here some kind of support and resistance level in between, yes, you can expect on the next candle a fake breakout in form of a hanging man and evening star. Yes, and that is what I have expected, and so I entered on the next candle into a put, yes, expecting a bearish candle. So that was the next candle. So I have done this trend continuation trade, I have done this trend continuation trade. Then we got here this kind of fake breakout of the 200 EMA, and that was a reversal trade. What I have done here, I was waiting all the trend long, and all the trend long I have traded the direction of the trend. Then happens the reversal pattern at key level, explained on the highest trading probability trading setup page, yes, which you can see also the video where I have explained this more in detail. And after this I entered into a put. That is what you should do when you are trading reversal trades, waiting for confirmation based on the key level and the candlestick pattern, and then doing reversal. The next candle was not a trade because we broke this kind of support and resistance level, this kind of round number. And important here is you cannot trade round numbers immediately. You have to get some kind of confirmation that this round number is still active. Yes, and so the next candle was this one. Okay, that was some kind of doji. It got a rejection here from the round number. Here we have the 50 EMA. No, we have here the 100, we have the 100 EMA, and this 100 EMA is obviously the reason why we got here this kind of doji. Where is price doing dojis? When price is in between of support and resistance, and the round number and the 100 EMA are creating here some kind of support and resistance, and that's the reason why this kind of candle got a doji. I didn't enter into this kind of trade. You could do here a put because we got a reversal. You could follow the put. Yes, that was nothing else than an evening star trade. I have explained this in the ebook much more in detail. I didn't have done this, yes, because I was not sure what's happening. I was waiting for a better opportunity, but it would be a nice trade too. Yes, so doing a put after evening star and a reversal from the 200 EMA, which is a really reliable trading setup. Okay, so the next candle would have been a trade too, because now this kind of area is confirmed. This round number is now a confirmed resistance level, and you could use this round number for your trade, yes, to do a put, yes, because you try to follow the winner trend, and then you're entering on the rejection from this kind of round number into a put. Yes, that would be possible, but I have not done this. I waited for the next candle, and the next candle was this one. Okay, that was the next candle. You see we got a rejection here from this round number, and also it closed below the 100 EMA. You can see this on the live chart. Send me an email with the subject chart 10 to get this live chart. Then you see how you can read the EMAs to help you understanding the market direction. So, and after this candle I entered into a put. Yes, why? Because we are in a minor downtrend. We have here the confirmation that this level is a resistance level. This candle is something like a pin bar. Yes, it's showing selling pressure. We are creating lower lows, and we are creating, yes, and we are in a minor downtrend. So the next candle was for me a clear put. Yes, and that is still based on this kind of concept here. You wait that you get a reversal pattern in this form. It was a hanging man, and then you are entering into a put trade based on the continuation pattern. In this case it was something like this. This upper shadow is showing selling pressure. in this case too. Let me show you this. In this case too here, yes, this is showing selling pressure. We got a rejection here again from this resistance level, yes, because it changed polarity. This support level was broken by this kind of big huge candle. Then this changed the polarity. I can show you this kind of concepts in the ebook too. Let me show you this. You see, I'm trying to refer those kind of concepts to you here. That is this one. How to trade at support and resistance. Yes, price is going to break through it. After the second touch, it shows that it's a major support and resistance level, yes, and also those kind of concepts which I have named here, how to trade the false breakout, yes, how to find false breakout, and then obviously the last one, change of polarity, breakthrough, pull back, yes, that is a change of polarity, and that is exactly what I have done here. Yes, I was waiting that the price breaks through it, got the confirmation. This was the confirmation. This trade was already a trade which you could do. Yes, a put option after this kind of one, but it would be a little bit risky because we were in a consolidation area. That's the reason why I didn't have done this. But after this candle has broken the 100 EMA, we are in a minute downtrend. I entered on the next candle into a put. Okay, so the next candle was this. So the next candle was a Marubozu candlestick. Yes, it would be has been also an opportunity to do a put again, because you know the Marubozu candlestick is a continuation pattern if it's happened at a key level. In this case, I was not sure because we didn't broke the round number with determination. Yes, but we are still into a minor downtrend. So it would have been a good trade, but I'm doing trades almost when I'm really sure. So I didn't trade the continuation of the next candle. I will show you which kind of candle it was. That was this kind of candle. Then I didn't trade the next one too, because this was a really weak candle. I didn't understood what will happen. Maybe it could have happened some kind of fake breakout, but because of this kind of wick which was too short, I didn't believe this, but I didn't trade the next candle. The next candle was this one. So this candle was for me a clear sign that we are getting here now the process of elimination. Yes, the candles are getting almost tiny, more tiny and more tiny. Yes, and after this we got this kind of candle, which is something like a doji. Yes, I would say that it's a doji. Also, if it's a bearish candle without wicks, but for me it's a doji because this candle is showing indecision. Yes, that is showing that the change of polarity will happen. Yes, and the process of elimination. And the next candle was this one. I didn't trade this next candle because this was already for me a sign that we are getting here into some kind of consolidation area. And the next candle was this one. So that was the next candle, and yes, and we got here a rejection from this round number and from the 20 and the 50 EMA. Yes, so I waited to get the confirmation on the next candle because this looks like a morning star. So the probability, because this week is showing buying pressure, yes, that price would continue to going up. I waited for the next candle. The next candle was this one. That was the next candle. Yes, and on this candle, on the next candle, I entered into a trade. Why? Because we got this kind of consolidation area. This candle broke through this consolidation area. So I entered on the next candle into a put trade after the rejection from this level, because this is what I have explained about the no rejection trading setups, or also the engulfing candle. It's a combination of all, yes, and so I entered on the next candle into a put, expecting a trend continuation of this downtrend. This was nothing else than a pullback. In this kind of case, downtrend, let me show you, downtrend, pullback, yes, downtrend pullback. Here we have an evening star pullback, yes, but in reality it was not an evening star pullback. It was a morning star, but the thing is that we got here a pullback, and after this pullback we got this kind of continuation pattern, in this case a bearish engulfing candle, yes, and I entered on the next candle into a put, and I'll show you how it looks like. So this next candle was a candle with a gap up, yes, but I entered on the put on the next candle, and that was this one here. So and after this we got this kind of candle, and you will understand what I have done here really when I have done this trading session in this low volume market Asia session. Yes, it's really tricky to trade there, and that's the reason why I waited and didn't trade each and every candlestick. Yes, because there are so many dojis happening, and the next candle was this kind. So that candle here is showing that there will come up some kind of fake breakout. Yes, that is how the fake breakouts look like. Look, I want to show you this again. Yes, so that you understand this. Here we have the fake breakout stuff. Here, morning star, fake breakout. Yes, morning star, fake breakout. This is what this looked like. I didn't enter into the next trade because we are close to the key level. We were in a minor downtrend. Yes, that is important. That is what when I'm talking about context, yes, that you have to understand where you are. We got here already a pullback. We are in a minor downtrend. So on the next candle, I didn't enter into a trade because I was not sure if this kind of round number will hold, yes or not. And so the next candle was this one. Okay, this was the next candle. You see it closed close to the round number. Yes, this kind of buying pressure didn't unfold on the next candle. It was not a fake breakout, and that was the reason for me to enter on the next candle into a put on the rejection from the round number, or better from this support and resistance level, where I have explained already so often in so many videos that the fake breakouts are indicating you strong support and resistance levels. So we have a strong support and resistance level here. You see how the candlesticks, the wicks are working with this, and this is nothing else than a fake breakout. Yes, here we have another fake breakout which is not working out. That means that the next candle will be most probably a bearish one, because this candle, and that is the process of elimination. I have explained this in detail here. Let me show you this, so that you get a feeling for this. So the process of elimination is explained here. Yes, it's this one. Yes, if a candlestick, I have shown this only with this one, but if a candlestick is not unfolding like expected, yes, then you can expect that the price will, that the direction of the candle will go in the opposite direction. Yes, that is what the process of elimination is about. You have, this is ideal, as you have to apply this on your own concept, on the own context, because you know candlestick patterns can be so different, and that's the reason why you have to understand the concept and not learning only the candlestick patterns. Yes. So the next candle, on the next candle, I entered into a put. Yes, because it was a process of elimination. This candle here didn't unfold like expected, so I was sure that the next candle will be most probably a bearish one. And like I have explained before, you should enter into a trade on the rejection and above the key level. That means your entry point should be above this level. Yes, above this level. And on the rejection downwards, you entering into a put, because that was another pullback. So we got here a minor downtrend, pullback, pullback, pullback. Okay. So and yes, and after this, yes, the next trade was then this one. The next candle was this one. That was the next candle, and this candle was for me a clear sign that we are now getting a fake breakout of this kind of round number, because we got already the pullback. This candle didn't unfold like expected. It got a rejection from the round number below, and so I entered on the next candle into a call. Yes, expecting a morning fake breakout. Yes, that was a morning star fake breakout. Yes, and after this I stopped trading. There were some other opportunities. I show you the last two candlesticks. Yes, but that were already my 7 trades which I have done in this kind of session, in the other session. And let me show you this. Okay, sorry, I had a phone call. So the next candle was this one, and this would be another opportunity to do a put, because that would be another reversal signal or continuation pullback. Yes, from the 20 EMA, but I didn't trade this because I have done already my trades, and I show you the next one. Yes, and that was the last candle, and you see it was here a pullback again from the 20 EMA with a rejection from the 20 EMA, and you can get this kind of live chart with the EMAs and the Bollinger Band, which makes it to you much clearer that we are here in a ranging market by sending me an email with the subject chart 10, or on the Instagram account you can find the screenshot too of the live chart which I have traded on the Asia session on Friday. Okay, that was in general everything. I hope that you got some information out of this kind of trades. You see, I have shown you each and every concept which I have used. Obviously, I didn't name everyone because at the end, you know, the problem here is that it would take too long to show you the candlestick pattern, morning star, evening stars, engulfing candles, yes, hanging man, and those kind of stuff, yes. But each and every concept which I have used are named and are explained in the bot price action guide. You find the link in the description. The bot price action Bible with much more detailed information than the price action guide. The link also in the description, and with the help of the video packs you would understand those kind of trades also much better, yes, because that is what my students are applying, those concepts which I'm teaching in the bot mentorship program, in the price action guide, in the price action Bible, and obviously in the video packs, yes, in the bot self-study modules, yes, video pack 1, video pack 2, video pack 3, and video pack 4. Okay, and if you, like I told you, if you are still struggling and you want to make money from the market, join the bot mentorship program by applying for the bot mentorship program and enroll the application process by sending me an email with the subject bot mentorship program, and then you will get an email from me how to enroll the application process. Yes, you have to go through 8 steps, and then when you are and when you're getting to the last step, you will be knowing if you can join the bot mentorship program. I can only say to you, join now the application, start the application process now, because I will soon stop with this kind of stuff of the bot mentorship program. Maybe then it will be done by my bot mentors. And so if you want to get educated by me, yes, by me, then do this now. Yes, apply for the bot mentorship program as fast as possible, because the doors will be shut down, will be closed soon. So if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section or send me emails, yes, like you have done already so often. I'm happy to hear from you, yes. And so I would say stay safe and bye bye.